If you are trying to install Windows 11 Update KB507311 and you keep getting the error saying your device is missing, important security updates, don't worry. This is a common Windows issue and it's fixable. This usually happens because Windows Update components are corrupted, pushed, or stuck because of a previous failed update, not because your PC is unsupported or broken. First, press the Windows key, type Services, then open it and scroll down to Windows Update. Double-click it, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and if the service is stopped, click Start, then Apply and OK. Next, scroll down and find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, also known as BITS. Open it and make sure it's running and set to automatic as well. Now close the Services window, press Windows R, type CMD, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open Command Prompt as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SFC/Scannow and press Enter, then wait until the scan finishes 100%. If it finds and fixes files, restart your computer before doing anything else. After the restart, open Command Prompt as administrator again. Run these commands one by one, pressing Enter after each line: dism/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. This process may take several minutes, so let it finish completely, even if it looks stuck. Once it's done, restart your PC again, then go to Settings, Windows Update, and try installing KB507311. If the update still fails, the next fix is to manually install it, which works almost every time. Open your browser, search for Windows Update Catalog KB507311, then download the version that matches your system, either 64-bit or ARM. Run the downloaded file, follow the instructions, and restart when prompted. After rebooting, go back to Windows Update and confirm that the update is installed and your system is up to date. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I will see you in the next one.